Hi folks, Northy here with another one in the kitchen video series. This one is called The Brother I Never Had, and you may have heard a different version of this before. This time I'm going to give it a slight Latin rhythm to it, courtesy of the Trio Plus accompaniment that I use. So I hope you like it. You can let me know if you do. I'm sure you will. It's a story, as you'll hear in the song, of someone that's in your life that's not part of the family but feels as though that they could have been, because they've been through everything with you. Okay, hope you like it. And that's the Trio Plus, not me. We'd hang around together, always just you and I. You tell me all your secrets, I tell you some of mine. We sometimes wore the same clothes, just coincidence, I guess. We have the latest hairstyle, even if we looked a mess. From a boy to a teen, yeah. From a man to a dad. You was always there for me, just like the brother I never had. We fight over which tunes to play, till you just said that's fine. We both got bikes for Christmas. I liked yours, you wanted mine. From a boy to a teen, yeah. From a man to a dad. You was always there for me, just like the brother I never had. We went to a festival, my first time getting high. Not the first time you saved my life, the last time I tried to fly. you liked it, or if you'd like to leave any other comment, let me know. Cheers. Thanks for that.